In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add transitions to text in PowerPoint step by step so you can make your slides look smoother, more professional, and much more engaging. Whether you want your text to fade in, fly in, or wipe onto the screen, this is a simple trick that can instantly improve the way your presentation feels. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and click on the text box that you want to animate. This is important because PowerPoint applies text animations to the selected object, so make sure the correct text box is highlighted before moving on. Once the text box is selected, go up to the Animations tab at the top of PowerPoint. This is where all the motion effects and text entrance animations are located. When you click Animations, you'll see a range of options, and for text transitions, some of the most popular choices are Fade, Fly In, and Wipe. If you want something clean and simple, Fade is a great option. If you want a little more movement and energy, Fly In works really well. And if you want the text to appear with a smooth sweeping motion, Wipe is another great choice. Click the animation you want to apply, and you'll immediately see it added to your text box. Now, if you want the text to appear line by line instead of all at once, there's another easy setting you can use. With the text box still selected, click Effect Options. This gives you more control over how the animation behaves. From there, choose by paragraph. When you select by paragraph, PowerPoint will animate each line or paragraph separately, which makes the text appear one by one instead of all together. This is perfect for bullet points, step-by-step slides, or any presentation where you want to control the flow of information. Next, let's fine-tune the timing so the animation feels just right. To do that, open the animation pane. The animation pane shows you every animation on the slide and lets you manage the order and timing much more easily. Once it's open, click on the animation you added and look for the timing settings. Here, you can set the start option to on click if you want each line to appear when you click during the presentation. You can also choose after previous if you want the next line to appear automatically after the last one finishes. This is really useful if you want a smoother, hands-free presentation. Then, adjust the duration to control the speed of the animation. A shorter duration makes the text appear faster, while a longer duration gives it a slower, more dramatic effect. Take a moment to test different speeds until it feels right for your slide. And that's really all there is to it. By selecting your text box, choosing an animation like fade, fly in, or wipe, switching to by paragraph, and adjusting the timing in the animation pane, you can easily add transitions to text in PowerPoint and make your slides look much more polished. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple PowerPoint tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.